In this video, I'll show you how to create an occupational therapy evaluation in HelloNote using a saved template. Start by creating a new patient profile. Fill in the name, date of birth, address, phone number, email, insurance details, and emergency contact. Save the profile. Next, go to the Notes tab and create a new case. Set the profile to Basic, enter the case title, select the primary insurance, and assign your occupational therapist. Add the past medical history, reason for referral, and diagnosis, making sure to add the code to both medical diagnosis and treatment diagnosis. Save the case. Open the note list, click the drop-down arrow on New Note, and select Pick Evaluation Template. Choose your saved template from the list. The system loads it instantly, and you'll see the clinical content already filled in across the tabs. On the Assessment tab, the diagnosis, past medical history, and reason for referral are all pre-populated. Review the subjective complaint and update it to reflect the specific patient's experience. This is the main field you'll always personalize. On the Functional Deficits tab, the template has already added a comment describing the patient's limitations. Review it and update if this patient's situation is different. On the Underlying Impairments tab, the pain location, objective findings, and selected tests are pre-filled from the template. Review the pain severity ratings, range of motion values, and objective comments, and adjust any values that are specific to this patient's actual clinical presentation. On the Treatment Plan tab, the goals, components of evaluation, recommended treatment codes, prognosis, frequency, and duration are all pre-populated. Review each one, make any patient-specific adjustments, and move on. On the Billing tab, update the assessment statement to reflect this patient's specific presentation. Enter the minutes and units for the treatment codes performed today. Once all required fields are complete, click Actions, then Finalize. Confirm the date, click Yes, and the note is signed and locked.